Africell Energy, the best fuel station in Uganda. Oh, would you like to fuel your car? Don't look further. Come here at Africell Energy along Kampala Gulu Highway. Yeah, we have a best parking yards. You can see over there. We have a best supermarket, restaurant. Everything you need is. You come to Africell Energy. We shall deal with you. We shall do you better. Fuel station, the best fuel station in Uganda, all over the world. So Africell Energy. Don't look further. Where you can get the best fuel station, where you can get the best fuel for your engine, for your motor engine. Yeah, you can see the price. Our price is okay. Not only this one of today. Every day our prices are keep on changing. What everything is good at Africell Energy. So we handle customers with the best customer care handling. So you come to Africell Energy, we shall serve you better.